Hi Massimo, what's cooking today?
I think we'll make a little bit of straccetti. Have a nice thin cut beef. We'll put it on the skillet, a little bit of garlic, olive oil. 20 seconds cooking time. Then we'll put it on a bed of rucola, tomatoes, sliced fresh Parmesan cheese. What do you think?
Perfect.
Nice. The ingredients for straccetti with rucola and Parmigiano are cherry tomato, Parmigiano, black pepper, salt, garlic, flour, rucola, balsamic vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, and thin cut veal. Alright, so today we're gonna be making straccetti with aceto balsamico. What we got here, we got some fresh rucola cut in large pieces, and we put a bed of fresh rucola, and then we're gonna add some chopped Roma tomatoes. Then we're gonna be cooking the meat here on a skillet. First we're gonna flour the very thin cut beef. Then we're gonna put a little bit of olive oil on the pan, heat it up, and then we're gonna cook the meat in the pan with the hot oil. Then we're gonna put a little bit of salt, pepper, drizzle a little balsamic vinegar, and it will be done in 30 seconds. We're gently gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil on top, and then we'll finish it up with Parmigiano chunks. Just put without much of an order. It's kind of like a meat and salad. And ta-da, it's ready. You can find this recipe on the blog abruzzocibus.com. You'll find the measurements and all the cooking time involved. Enjoy.